Spent 100,000 went to buy a BMW 760, originally thought it was a great deal, but ended up finding 12 cylinders and 7 of them not working.
The bad news is that the money saved on buying the car is not enough to cover the repair costs. The good news is that there is a repair shop at home. The new owner, Captain Lou, is currently in a stable mood and stated that since repairs are needed, they will do a comprehensive overhaul to make this V12 engine roar again and let this rare classic car fight for another 10 years.
Without further ado, let's get to work and first dismantle the interior thoroughly.
Buying this BMW 760 is mainly to please myself. I just don't like the color of the interior. So I'm going to replace the entire leather interior, including upgrading the seat design to the 2024 model, so you can see a different BMW 760.
The engine also needs to start working simultaneously.
Among the three 12-cylinder engines in the BB series, I think this V12 engine has the best power and the best smoothness. Otherwise, how could it be used in a Rolls-Royce? I brought it back to play with, to have fun. We want to play to our heart's content, to enjoy this V12 BMW 760 in a like-new condition. Let's all look forward to it.
First, remove the engine, then proceed to disassemble the transmission.
Even when changing speed, you need to prepare the next pot. That's simultaneous work. First, cut the leather.
You can see the color of this genuine leather. Right, this is a beige style, an upgrade to a new model. This color is in ochre, and these two are completely integrated inside. Do they look the same to you? Of course, the sense of sophistication has also increased, and the luxurious vibe is maxed out. Everyone look forward to it. It's quite beautiful.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.
This genuine leather interior not only has a change in leather colour, but more importantly, the design of this model has been redone.
The 2024 model of the BMW 7 Series, look at the shape of this armrest box. The exposed white design forms a pattern beautiful. As for this peach wood button, I've decided to replace it with solid wood, which has a wood grain texture. Very beautiful. Let's see what the overall effect looks like.
The engine is out. Next, we prepare for assembly. Next, assemble the gearbox.
Come on, start! Just look at these ripples. Can you tell how many cylinders of the 12-cylinder engine are working now? Perfectly done in one go.
Disassemble the exterior key parts. Prepare for the upcoming painting work.
Remove old damping adhesive, reapply soundproofing, and solve the odor problem in the old car.
Level and sand the car body to ensure the paint effect. Once the painting is finished, we can start installing these brand new exterior parts on the vehicle. Before loading, clean the ground.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.